Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can change theme in eFootball on your PC. So the first thing here that you're going to do is go to your game plan right here at the bottom. And here you'll find your current information about your team. And basically you just need to click on this theme right from here at the left side of your screen. And then once you click on this one, you'll find this option. So you just need to go to base theme settings. And here you will find three options: base theme, edit team name, and edit team shorthand. So basically here to change your team, so click on base theme right from here. And then you just have to choose here either you want from Europe, you want from South America, North and Central America, Asia, Oceania, and Africa. So basically, for example, want to click on Europe. And then for example, just want to choose right here League One. And from League One team, I want to choose PSG. So there you go. That's how you can change your team in eFootball 2024 on PC. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.